A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke.
Lord, to you, O Lord.
Mary set out and traveled to the hill country in haste to a town of Judah, where she entered the house of Zechariah and greeted Elizabeth. When Elizabeth heard Mary's greeting, the infant leapt in her womb, and Elizabeth, filled with the Holy Spirit, cried out in a loud voice and said, "Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb. And how does this happen to me, that the mother of my Lord should come to visit me? For at the moment the sound of your greeting reached my ears, the baby in my womb jumped for joy. Blessed are you who believed that what was spoken to you by the Lord would be fulfilled." My dear friends, the good news of our salvation.
Praise you.